Mabuhay. My name is Eric Weeder, and I'm chairman of Weeder Nutrition. I want to welcome all our Filipino friends, especially wonderful Filipinas, who I think are the most special people in the whole world. Over 70 years ago, my Uncle Joe Weeder and my father Ben Weeder created Weeder Nutrition. They started with just $7, but they had a commitment to making the best possible nutritional products to help people live better lives. What started so many years ago in their living room is now a global enterprise with sales in over 120 countries around the world. It's an honor for us to become a part of the Eat Global family, and we're so excited about what the future together brings.
Hi, I'm Rick Clare, president of Weeder Global Nutrition. Every now and then, our scientists have breakthroughs. I'm excited to officially announce our AIM Global exclusive products, Burn Slim and Burn Meal Replacement. Our team has combined the power of these new products with a diet and weight loss program for all shapes and sizes. The Burn program is a weight loss and lifestyle enhancement package that starts with an easy-to-follow diet plan and workout routine created by fitness personality and cover model Felicia Romero. Felicia designed this exercise plan just for you at AIM Global. When you follow the Burn program, fat will melt away and you'll feel healthier and sexier than ever before. This exclusive Burn program is offered worldwide to the millions of distributors and customers of our direct selling, multi-level marketing partner, Alliance in Motion Global. Connect with any AIM Global distributor for more details of the Burn program by Weeder. Congratulations on this wonderful partnership. Feel the difference, feel the power, feel the burn.
You want to feel the burn? Proceed to the PowerPoint. Huwag mo tanggalin. Just proceed to the PowerPoint. What is the burn program? The burn means body under right nutrition. Majority of the products are provided by Weeder Global Nutrition, which is a $70 billion company a year based in the United States. Okay. The good thing with this, guys, we have 3 products to launch. First is the Burn Slim. Second is the Burn Meal Replacement Shake. And of course, our Live Burn. Are you excited for this? Now, this is actually a wellness lifestyle package. Because Weeder firmly believe that for us to have healthy, fitting bodies, we need to exercise. Everybody say exercise. At least 20 minutes every day. So what they did was they seek professional help from Felicia Romero, who is an international bodybuilder, fitness cover, fitness enthusiast. She designed a specific workout routine that we can do for 20 minutes every day, and along with Burn Slim, along with Burn Meal Replacement Shake, and along with Live and Burn and a diet plan, surely we will lose some pounds. Okay po ba yan? So what are this? So let's proceed. We have Burn Slim. Burn Slim, the active ingredients are Garcinia Cambogia. It has hydroxycitric acid. It has green tea leaf extract powder. What else? It has conjugated linoleic acid or CLA. It has L-carnitine. It has dried yeast, white kidney bean extract. All of these are meant, number 1, to suppress the appetite. Number 2, to increase the metabolism. Number 3, to block the fats and the carbohydrates and the starch that we're gonna eat. And therefore, losing more and more fats or losing more and more fats and pounds away from us. Maganda po ba yan? Okay, so start it out. Next, we have a meal replacement shake. The diet plan of the Burn program, meron tayong aalisin isang meal. One of your biggest meals, either lunch or probably dinner, Okay, so okay po ba yun? Other than that, we'll also be launching our Liven Burn. So habang nagkakape ka, bumibilis yung metabolism mo, simply because, number one, it's sweetened by stevia, just like our sugar-free, and it is empowered by Carnipure. What is Carnipure? Carnipure is supplied to us by Relonza, based in Switzerland. They offer the most premium, most concentrated, and highest form of L-carnitine. So habang nagkakape ka, pumapayat ka. Okay po ba yun? So what's gonna be the Burn Workout Program? It has a diet plan. Kunwari, kakainin mo, eto lang, kailangan grilled, less oil, gulay, fish, chicken, so-and-so. And then you're gonna take 1 or 2 cups of Liven coffee every day. Then you're gonna take 1 or 2 tablets of Burn Sling every day. Then you're gonna take 1 sachet of Burn meal replacement every day. And it's guaranteed if you're gonna follow the Burn program within 8 to 10 weeks, it's guaranteed that you would shed some pounds. Maganda o napakaganda? And this will be made available. May DVD workout din siya that you can follow at the comfort of your own home. So kahit nasa kwarto ka lang, pwede mo sunod yung workout plan ni Felicia Romero, along with the Burn program, pakinom ng Burn Slim and meal replacement, and the Liven Burn, it's guaranteed to lose weight, We will officially launch this sometime March or April this year. Okay po ba yan? And as a support from our supplier, we will launch the biggest loser in global edition. Also, another support from our suppliers, when we launch this, okay, kung meron tayong Hong Kong 7, magkakaroon tayo ng Korea 1. Okay po ba yan? So watch out for this. Siyempre, tayo po na yung dapat uminom. I've been taking this product for the past 2 weeks and I can already feel the burn. So if you want to feel the burn, watch out for this product. So are you excited for this? Guys, hindi pa natin natatap yung market, yung weight loss market. We only have